guys, welcome back. Today we're putting a catback on the GLI. We're doing the MBRP catback exhaust, but we did something different to it. I'll show you what we did after. We're about to do a cold start. We didn't put the tips on yet, but the whole system is on underneath the car. So we'll get those couple of clips so you can hear how it sounds on a cold start, and then we'll show you how it was actually modified from how it comes, because this is a straight through system. It's basically a straight pipe system. So I'll get to those photos in a minute. Let's start it up first, and then I'll show you what we did.
Should I not do anything yet?
Yeah. All right, so we started to put the tips on just for alignment reasons, and we decided that this is a good distance out where you could still see the logo, but it's not sticking out too far, because we had to loosen a few things up, so we didn't want to keep going back and forth on the car before we did that cold start for you. So this is roughly where the tips, actually this is where the tips are going to sit. This is how we're going to lock it in. These are 4-inch tips, by the way. Tips are all on. Time for the cold start. Just come to the side. It's aggressive. Came down. This is what it sounds like. Okay. Pretty loud.
It's weird. It has
Definitely decently loud.
It's like not so loud, and then it has that little like.
Yeah, right at the top. It like starts to pop when it opens up. You gotta get a driving one. All right, so I'm gonna show you some pictures of what he did to this exhaust system to make it sound like that. It's not the base MBRP catback. He added a resonator. I'll show you the box in a minute, the part number, if you guys are interested on that resonator. I'll show you what it looks like. Just a couple pictures before we decided to cut it and put that in. So I'll flash those pictures up for you now. So this is where we cut the pipe. You can see the resonator is in the spot. The pipe is right above. It's a very small section, but that's all we needed to put that into place. So this is the resonator he decided to go with. He actually saw this off of another YouTuber. I'm not sure of the name, but this is the part number that he went for this particular resonator. So basically this is a straight pipe exhaust. He added a resonator so that it doesn't drone, hopefully. We'll find that out. Got to drive the car still, and we'll see how it goes as far as that's concerned. So maybe we can get a couple of drive-by videos, or clips rather, for you, show you how it sounds. But this is the MBRP catback exhaust with a vibrant resonator. So one of the other things I wanted to show, since we added that resonator, the system is actually a 3-inch system, and then it goes down to 2.5, almost the way this factory system does. From the downpipe is the adapter to the factory exhaust. So that's how it would fit into a factory downpipe, but since we cut it, now it's actually a true 3-inch exhaust all the way from the turbo, because we added that resonator. So true 3-inch piping, which is awesome. You're not doing 3-inch and then it's going down to 2-inch, which kind of doesn't make sense if you're trying to open up the exhaust, because this is your bottleneck. So now it's actually a full 3-inch exhaust by putting that resonator in, because